Hi, and welcome to our 35th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they refer to me as DJ, and I am from the Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting and software, and so much more. So let's begin. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization. Today, we're going to be reviewing charts. Okay, so let's go over to our Excel spreadsheet to take a look at charts. Okay, I have devised the spreadsheet a while back as a sample of how a spreadsheet can look. Okay, what we're going to be doing today is a chart. Okay, a chart is merely information put in a block format. Okay, and to start a chart, let's do this. We're kind of out of room, okay, on this particular spreadsheet. Let's just use this as an example. Okay, so over here to the right, I'm going to do an example. Let's say you wanted in this area to make a chart. Okay, what you'd want to do is go to your Home tab, and you can go ahead and put your borders on. Let's do all borders. See how that works? And then you can go ahead and type in your headings, just like I did to the left. You can type in your subheadings, and then your information, and then your amounts. Okay, that's one way to do a chart. Now, if you've got the book, which I highly recommend, Excel 2013 for Dummies. I hate that title. This is an incredible book. For charts, there's like 6 different ways to make a chart. This is your basic one that I typically use for everything. Just very simple, quick, a few clicks, and your chart's made, and you can go ahead and fill in the rest of the information. I'm going to go ahead and do a Control S because I want to save this over to the right-hand side. And again, to reiterate, do a Control Save when you're doing your projects continually so that if something happens, you don't lose your information. Okay, so we did a Control Save. And that's basically how a chart is done. And again, if you want different options, I suggest that you get the Excel 2013 book. It's a great reference tool no matter what you need to do or how you need to do it step by step. And it can give you the other 5 or so options to build a chart. Okay? Thank you for taking the time to review Excel with us. There are many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Our clients are our #1 concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little more about Excel. We will provide you with a complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allows you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training and daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs. This will help your business be more streamlined and cost efficient, which is so important. We'd like to take this time to say thank you for joining our podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to the Excel Program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Bye now.